friends, welcome back to my channel, Life as Tiff Knows It. Tiff here bringing you an unboxing of a Valentine's Day diamond painting sticker set that I found on Amazon. I will make sure to link the link below. I don't remember the name of the shop or anything like that. This actually is a purchase I made for work. I have an event coming up. I work in a school with kids and I thought these would be fun to pick up. If I can pick it up. I cannot pick it up. Oh my gosh. Okay. So if you look at the cover here, there's lots of cute designs and I love the positive messages. You're dynamite, you're a star. Llama be my friend. Llama be your best friend. You are awesome. I love that. You colored my heart. You are a unique friend. Let's be friends. So super cute. I'm wondering how they look less complex than the other set I bought for a work thing, which would be good. So it has 28 cards, which is nice. Oh, they're double-sided. I wonder if you diamond paint both sides. How cool is that? Then it gives you some basic directions on the back here. Includes accessories. Thank goodness, because we're going to need accessories. And I think this is the brand right here. Love You. Yes. So if you're looking for a brand, Love Notes by Joyin is the name of it. So let's go ahead and get into it. I believe these were on sale when I purchased these for $11.99. I will look up the price too and put it in the description box. So let's see what we got in here. Oh my gosh. It's so simple. Like, that's it. It's just this in the box. I really actually like that. So let's get into it. How cute is this? Valentine's Day coming up. Can't really go wrong. Good. It's a good little craft for kids. So all of these are stickers here. Holy cow. I don't know if I even should undo these, but I'll just give you a quick preview here. They're all lots of stars. Oh, the stars are kind of different directions. Or they're just in there differently. Oh, I thought that was a baby for some reason. Owls. Look at these cute owls. Super cute. I don't know why they're all different directions. Rainbows. Unicorns. How cute. More owls. Little llama. Dino. I wonder if you put the dino on the actual... Oh, that's what you do. You put it on the card, I think. So you got your dinos, your bees. How cute is that? I'm going to try to get this back organized while I go. Let's look at the cards. You're a star with a star on front. And that's what you do is I think you put the star on here. You stick it on there. How cute is that? I love that. So you're a star. And then, oh my gosh, they're hard to get apart. So these are just like a cardboard material, which is nice. And then let's be friends. 4 of each, it looks like. You are awesome. You color my heart. Llama be your best friend. I don't know why that's hard for my brain to say out loud. You are one unique friend. That's the Valentine's Day card you give to your not best friend. You are dynamite. Oh, how cute are these? I love it. So that's cool. It's like a 2-part process. You make the sticker and then you pick a card. So fun for like, it does say ages 3+. So, I mean, these are not complex at all. How cool. I really like them. I'm glad I purchased them. I won't be able to do a post review because since it is a work thing, the kids will be keeping them. It does come with your basic toolkit. So if you were to purchase these and wanted lots of people to complete them, like in a classroom or, I don't know, a different space, you're going to definitely need to get more diamond painting accessories. Always helpful to know. And there really is not too many. Yeah, the number of diamonds in these is so limited. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Like 15 diamonds each. So that's why there really is not, doesn't look like many of these at all. Maybe these will be, I think this will be better than the other ones I had. But very, very basic. How many do we have total? It doesn't even number them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's it. So I like how simple it is, especially with younger kids. Cannot go wrong with that. So that's it in a nutshell. I know this was kind of a shorter unboxing, but it's a cool little kit. It makes 28 cards for like $12. That's a really good deal. I don't think there's any worries of like copyright infringement or doing wrong by artists. I would imagine these are created for the diamond paintings. So yeah, if you like what you're seeing and you haven't subscribed to my channel, I do a lot of diamond painting content on top of yarn-based crafts, mostly knitting, sometimes weaving. I try to do unboxings at least once a month. So please subscribe for more content. I also have a buy me a coffee if you are so inclined. None of this is necessary, but I'm just giving you opportunities if you wanted to support my channel a little bit more. Thanks so much for joining me, and I will see you in another video. Bye!